Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Today I'm sharing with you a short reminder how to untangle yourself from codependency. First of all, stop carrying other people's load and stop doing their emotional labor. Also, stop accepting instability, disrespect, immaturity. Stop setting for a lack of reciprocity. But here's what you should start: respecting people to carry their own load, however imperfectly, and start focusing on your own emotional well-being. Also start asking for what you need. Start requiring, sharing with them. If you found this video also helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. And see you tomorrow, of course, in next episode. Have a lovely day.